Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing fine and I hope you are all safe at home. I am Neha Nagpal and I am going to teach you science this year. Yes, it's a very different situation. You're all sitting at your home, learning from mobiles, laptops, TVs, even the tabs, and we are in a different place. But even then, I am proud to say that you children have done exemplary work. You have checked your notebooks, you have worked with full dedication, and whatever we have taught you, you have done it. So I'm very happy. I was very happy to see that, and I'm really very happy that you have been working so hard. Now, children, with the same motivation, we have to start and we have to keep on going until the situation comes to a normal. Okay, so let's start with our today's session, that is on chapter 2, the food factory of plants. So today's topic is the parts of a leaf. So I want you all to open page number 13 in your book and keep your book in front of you while you are watching this video. Parts of a leaf. Observe the leaf of a rose plant or a peepal tree closely. I want you all to keep your fingers here. Okay? The top surface of the leaf is protected by a waxy coating. Now, the top surface of the leaf, that means the top surface, it has a waxy coating. Waxy means somewhat sticky, थोड़ी सी चिपचिपी. Then this coating protects the leaf and prevents loss of water. Now what is loss of water? What does this mean? जैसे हमको sweat आता है, the way we sweat, right? There's loss of water from our body. जब हम sweat आता है, पसीना आता है, तो हमारी body से पानी निकलता है, पसीने के form में, right? तो ऐसे ही plants की body से पानी evaporate नहीं हो जाए, इसीलिए उनको ये waxy coating होती है. That's why they have this waxy coating to prevent loss of water. Okay, the flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. This part, this flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. Okay, can you see? The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. So this tip, ये जो edge है, इसको हम कहते हैं leaf apex. You understand this? Yeah? Then next, the upper and lower sides of a leaf blade are slightly different in color. If you take any leaf, you must be having tulsi leaf or neem leaf or any leaf in your house. If you see the upper part and the lower part of the leaf, जो leaf का upper part होता है और जो lower part होता है, वो slightly different in color होते हैं, right? The upper part is usually a little darker. जो upper part होता है वो थोड़ा सा dark होता है और the lower part होता है that is usually a little lighter. You can just see any leaf in your house or in your neighborhood if you have. You can just pluck a leaf and see, right? The upper side and lower side. The upper side is smooth and dark in color while the lower side is rough and light. So the same thing is being repeated. That upper side जो होता है वो dark होता है और lower side rough and light होता है. There is a thin tube that runs through the middle of the leaf. A thin tube that runs through the middle of the leaf. This tube, basically this one. Okay, thin tube that runs through the middle of the leaf. This one. This is called the midrib or the main vein. This is called the midrib or the main vein. Okay. This is called the midrib or the main vein, right? Then some other small tubes that are attached to the midrib are called side veins. यानी इससे attached. This is the center. This is going through the center of the leaf. So this is the midrib. Now these small veins are also coming out of this, out of the midrib. इसमें से ये जो small veins निकल के आती हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं side veins. ये हो गई main vein, ये हो गई side veins. These are called side veins. Okay. Alright. So the next is, these veins help in transporting water. Now, in our body also there are veins that help in transporting water. Similarly, here also in the leaf, these veins, small veins, help in transporting water to the leaf. Okay? These veins help in transporting water, minerals and food to all parts of the leaf and to other parts of the plant. So what happens? The water is absorbed from the roots, right? We put water in the roots of the plant. हम पानी कहाँ डालते हैं? Roots में. तो roots से पानी absorb होके veins के through leaf में पहुँचता है. और leaf is the food factory of the plant. यानी leaf में खाना बनता है plant के लिए. That food and minerals is transported throughout the plant. पूरे plant में इन्हीं veins के through transport होता है. So what is the function of veins? Function of veins is to transport water, food and minerals to leaf and to other parts of the plant. Okay? Veins क्या करती हैं? Veins water, food and minerals को लीफ में और दूसरे बॉडी पार्ट्स में, प्लांट के दूसरे बॉडी पार्ट्स में ट्रांसपोर्ट करती हैं. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज, read it. They also provide strength to the leaf blade and help maintain the shape of the leaf. So the second function is that they provide shape and strength to the leaf. इस leaf को ये strength भी देती हैं, right? Just like our backbone. Our backbone हमको strength देती है. Our backbone gives us strength. Similarly, the midrib also gives strength to the leaf. Okay, it is the main vein, so it is also giving strength to the leaf and the side veins also. The underside of the leaf has many tiny pores called stomata. Leaf का जो नीचे का portion होता है, underside, it has many small pores called stomata. These pores are so small that we cannot see them with unaided eyes. That means when you take a leaf and you try to look for stomata, you will not find any small pores. You will not find any small holes. Why? Because they are so small that you cannot see them like that. Okay, you have to put them under a microscope to see them. Okay, you can't see them like that with our naked eyes. We need something. We need microscope to see them. They are very, very small. Okay. So during photosynthesis, now photosynthesis, what is photosynthesis? It is a method by which plants prepare their own food. It is a method by which plant prepares their own food. Who prepares the food in your house? Your mother. Where does she prepare it? In the kitchen, right? So how does the plant obtain its food? Yesterday we studied in the flow chart that green plants make their own food. So how do they make it? They make it in the leaf. प्लांट का किचन कहाँ होता है? प्लांट का किचन होता है लीफ, जहाँ पर उसका खाना बनता है. ओके, सो द किचन फॉर द प्लांट इज द लीफ वेयर द फूड इज मेड थ्रू अ प्रोसेस. उस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस. इस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस. लाइक जब हम बेक करते हैं तो हम उसको कहते हैं बेकिंग. तो जब प्लांट का खाना बनता है इस लीफ में तो हम इसको कहते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस. द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग फूड बाय द leaf or by the green plants is called photosynthesis. Okay, by green plants. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide enters the leaf through the stomata and oxygen and water vapor are released. जब photosynthesis होता है तो होता क्या है? जब photosynthesis होता है, whenever photosynthesis happens, then carbon dioxide enters the leaf. यानी carbon dioxide leaf के अंदर जाता है. So during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide enters the leaf. Okay, and then what is written next? Oxygen and water vapor are released, or oxygen and water vapor are released. So during photosynthesis, स्टोमेटा जो लीफ के अंडर साइड में होता है वहाँ से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अंदर जाता है और ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर वेपर बाहर आता है, बिकॉज दीज आर द स्मॉल टाइनी पोर्स, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट, हाउ डू प्लांट्स मेक फूड. अब हम ये कैसे होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अंदर जा रहा है, ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर वेपर बाहर आ रहा है, बट हाउ डज दिस हैपन? हाउ डज द लीफ is how is this leaf so self-sufficient? Why is the green plant self-sufficient to make its own food? Green plants में ऐसा क्या है कि वो अपना खाना बनाते हैं और वो कैसे बनाते हैं? So that we will study in the next session. For now, I want you to make the parts of a leaf, this diagram on page number 13, first one, on an A4 sheet, very neatly. Okay, so that's your home assignment for today. No learning, nothing. Just understand the parts of a leaf and make this diagram of parts of a leaf. So that's all for today. I'll meet you tomorrow again. Thank you so much. Keep learning and keep growing.